It's time to work on the cuff of the sock we have been knitting ever so patiently and carefully. On my sample here that I used to create the design, I've been showing you this as we went along. I started the cuff to show you the type and the style we will make. It's going to look like this, and it's going to be stretchy, and the cast-off edge will not be stiff because we will actually sew it finished. And I'll show you how to sew in this way so that it blends in nicely and doesn't look awkward. And also doesn't feel uncomfortable against your leg. So in this video, we're going to set up the cuff. In the next video, we will work on the sewing. We have finished the 33 rounds for the leg. Maybe you had less if you wanted an ankle sock. And now we're going to knit 4 rounds all the way around. So we now turn all of our purl stitches into knit stitches. They all become knit. This is round 1. We do round 2 now, still knitting. Now we do round 3. Now round 4. We did 4 rounds. Let's take a look at our design mock-up here. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see this is the width of this edge. It's not very wide. We can measure it. 1.5 centimeters or 1/2 inch. If you would like to make it thicker, wider, you can add more rows. I would like it to be only about 1/2 inch on this project. So after the 4th row, I need to create this fold over edge. I'm going to do that by making my 5th round a purl round. So round 5, I'm going to purl all the way around. You may wonder if I could have maintained the pattern of 7 knit 1 purl, and the answer is yes. You could have done that. You could have done that. The reason why I didn't is because I'm going to assume that you haven't done this style of the cuff on a sock in the past, and I want you to not have the first try include the challenge of lining up correctly. So by making all stitches the same and stopping the pattern of 7 knit 1 purl, we're making it a little easier and not very different in its appearance. This was my purl round, which will create the fold over edge. That was round 5 of the cuff. Round 6 is going to be knit all the way around. Round 7, knit all the way around. Round 8, knit all the way around. Round 9, knit all the way around. We have 4 edge and 4. Now I want to show you something. If I stop here, I will be sewing right at the edge where I switched the pattern, and it's going to push my finished work to flip outside. Let me show you here. If I go around one more time, I will be able to sew below the place where it switches to knit stitches only, and it's going to want to stay straight. So that's why we're going to go around one more time, 5th time after the edge purl. In all, there are 10 rounds, 4 knit, 1 purl, and 5 knit for the cuff. In the next video, we will get the sewing yarn needle and finish our sock.